So you're in the market for a pair of active noise canceling headphones, but you want to continue to live that budget lifestyle. So what do? You head over to Amazon, you do some searching, and you find out that there are a million options available. Well, I'm here to tell you guys that the MPOW H12s are a pair that you should definitely be considering. If you don't know who I am, my name is JDubb, and I'm here to help you guys make a better tech buying decision. So let's check them out. Let's first take a look at the design. Immediately, you should notice the high gloss textured disc on the outside, which gives them a low-key premium look. In fact, they look a lot better than many of the more expensive offerings on the market. While the MPOW logo is small, it contrasts a lot with the black model, which I have here, but if you end up going with the rose pink or the silver version, your branding is going to be much lower key in contrast. The earpads themselves are soft and supple, making long listening sessions extremely comfortable. They also do a pretty good job when it comes to passive noise reduction. They aren't the best, but at the end of the day, this is an active noise canceling pair of headphones after all. The one place they did miss, however, when it comes to padding was the headband. I prefer a nice cushion there as well, and this feels a little light on the padding as if it was added just because it was the right thing to do. However, with this in mind, if you get your headband properly fitted to your dome, you shouldn't really need to rely on the padding to keep your head comfortable. Now when it comes to the buttons, they've done a pretty good job here as well, making them very easy to use. However, I will say they do have a sort of clickiness to them, which is a little bit harsh. It also does, in contrast, help you though. When you hear that click, you know you actually made the selection you were hoping to. At the end of the day, it is nice though that the H12s have all the controls that you need. Yes, they even have volume control on deck. The other thing that I absolutely love is that the active noise cancellation is not a button, it's actually a switch. Too many other brands are going with multi-function buttons that you need to cycle through to get active noise cancellation turned on. MPOW, however, went for a simple, dedicated on and off switch, easy, clean, and effective. So how does active noise cancellation actually perform on these? Well, it does the job. I would say that the 90% reduction in audio they mention in their branding and on the Amazon page does feel a little bit generous. I'd say we sit more in the 70 to 80% reduction range, but again, it does well enough to be your main set of travel headphones if you needed them to be. Just don't expect them to replace that pair of Bose you tested at the airport. Battery life was also solid. 30 hours on a single charge without active noise cancellation turned on, and if you want to keep it on the entire time, you get 15 hours of straight battery life with active noise cancellation turned on. So that's going to get you out the door, and you're not going to need to come back and plug in anytime soon. So now with all that out of the way, let's talk about sound. Delivered over Bluetooth 5.0, the 40mm drivers come in hard with the bass. These are a warm pair of headphones, so bass head, take note, these can handle your needs while still performing well enough across the board. Again, they're a warm pair of cans for sure, and it mutes the mids a little bit, but they still performed well enough on the high end for most genres. These aren't going to give you goosebumps, but if you want something to get you hype at the gym, set the tone for a long flight, or relax while the kids are going crazy around you, the MPOW H12s are a solid buy. And before I forget, they also come packed with CVC 6.0 noise cancelling microphone for your phone calling needs. Check out this audio sample and let me know what you think in the comments below.
Alright guys, so here's a microphone sample of the MPOW H12 active noise cancelling headphones. Now this is a CVC 6.0 noise cancelling microphone, and this is just a sound sample for you guys to get an idea of what this sounds like. So when you use this for your phone calls and conference calls and things like that, this is what you should expect out of the box.
So with all things considered, the MPOW H12s are going to come in at about $50 on Amazon at the time of making this video. Keep in mind though, they do have some pretty aggressive coupons that you can find on their Amazon listings, so keep an eye out for those to get the best possible price. But with all things considered, they hit on everything that I would be looking for in a budget pair of active noise cancelling headphones. So if you're in the market for that space in particular, these get a big thumbs up from me. But I'm curious to see what you guys have to say. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up down in the comment section below. And if you want to learn more and order some for yourself, I've also thrown some Amazon affiliate links down in the description portion down there, which helps support the channel. But guys, as usual, that is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.